Yo, what it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Luis, 25 Lux guy. Okay, look, man, I'm back with another video, guys. As you saw in the title, you saw in the thumbnails. Today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you the way that I fade on this type of hair, straight hair. So, like, if you have any problem, like if you don't know how to do it, stay tuned, stay to the end of this video, because I'm gonna make it easy for you guys. Alright, so let's get into the video, guys. So look, man, I already have my first guideline set up already. I'm getting rid of the hair. I'm gonna make a ball, you see what I'm saying? So right now I'm taking the hair off with my trimmer, you see what I'm saying? So look, one thing that I'm about to say, guys, if you pay attention, I'm not really like touching the line that I already did with my trimmer. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not touching that line that I have already on the top, if you know what I'm talking about. So look, I already taken the hair off. Let me go ahead and not make the video too long, because I want you guys to watch step by step what I'm about to do. Alright, so let me go ahead and make this video, if you like to go a little faster. Okay, look, so now I'm gonna use my shaver. I'm gonna clean that fade, you see what I'm saying? So look, guys, if you pay attention, I'm not touching the line with the trimmer all the way up, you see what I'm saying? I'm not doing that, because like if I do it, then that bottom line right there is gonna be hard as to knock it down, you see what I'm saying? So like I'm not touching that bottom line with a shaver. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just basically getting closer to it and then getting all the extra hair that is at the bottom, you feel me? So let me not really make this video look quick. Let me go ahead and zoom in, you feel me? Alright, y'all, so right now I got my clipper. It's gonna be all the way open, no guard. I'm gonna pass about a finger width. So one thing that I gotta tell you guys, these have to be clean. Like this set or line that we are creating right now, it has to be clean, because this is where we're going to connect the fade. So if it is not clean all the way, the fade is gonna look bougie. It's not gonna look clean, you feel me? So you have to make sure that that first line is clean, like clean for real. You see, I'm going back and forth from side to side, you feel me, making sure that one is clean. So right now I'm gonna take my guard number 4. That's gonna be the biggest guard that I'm gonna use in this haircut. Basically, I'm taking all the long hair off the area where I'm working at. So you see, I'm taking my time. Right now it's all the way open. In a little bit, I'm gonna close it up like all the way. So I'll be working my way down. This is how I fade this type of hair. So look, if you really know how to fade, if you have your own idea, your own way to fade, don't pay no attention to what I'm doing if you don't want to. Because like, believe it or not, guys, everybody fade different. Like, I got my own ways to fade this type of hair. So if you already have one and it is working for you, your face are looking good, don't change, stay with that, you see what I'm saying? And let's get it. So right now I passed the guard number 4 all the way around. Now it's gonna be the guard number 3. So right now I'm getting closer to the bottom line. So what I'm doing is I'm not gonna pass the guard number 3 all the way where I pass the guard number 4. You know why? Because if I do it, I'm gonna create a line on top of the guard number 4, if it makes sense. So right now I close it all the way up, and I'm basically just knocking the way that you see right there. You see what I'm saying? So like, I'm working on that area because I want to connect the fade with the way on top. You see what I'm saying? Basically, like the dark hair with the gray and with the ball, just the bottom of the hair. You see what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing. In a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take my guard number 2, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing with my guard number 2. I'm gonna knock it down. You see what I'm saying? Guard number 2 right there, all the way open. You see what I'm saying? Now close it up a little bit, open it up, you feel me? And that's what I'm about to be doing till I get the closer to get my guard 1.5, then 1, then 1.5, and then detail and the face done. That's what I do this fade. That's how I've been doing my fade on this type of hair. I like it, even though most people might say, nah, bro, like this is the hardest way to fade. This is like, it's gonna take you a long time to do a fade on this type of hair. I don't care what you guys gonna say. I don't care about what you guys are thinking about the way I fade. Y'all gonna see how this fade look. Y'all gonna see how that shit gonna pop, you feel me? So this is what I've been doing. This is how I do it. And this is how I like to fade this type of hair. So look, y'all can see already that the fade is almost connected. I'm just gonna take in a little bit my 1.5, and y'all gonna see how that fade is gonna pop. You see what I'm saying? So like, if you made to this part of this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. You see I got my 1.5 right there. The same thing, all the way open. You feel me? All the way open, knocking that way right there, the line, because I'm about to connect this fade. You feel me? So like I said, if you made it this far on this video, don't forget to go ahead and give me the thumbs up, man. Hit the subscribe button. Follow me on my IG, Luis25Locks. I'm gonna be posting my haircut, you feel me, whenever I feel like. And my people that really are here for my dreadlocks, don't worry, guys. I got some videos on the way for y'all too. You feel me? Stay tuned. This is Luis25Locks. You feel me? So another thing, guys, if you are in this area in Louisville, Kentucky, and you wanna have this fade, if you have your kids with straight hair and you don't have the right barber, go ahead and hit me up. I got you for real. You feel me? I'm gonna make sure they look good. They look fly for school. But the school is gonna be in a little bit. You feel me? So hit me up on my DM or here on YouTube, and I got you for real. You see, I'm working with my guard 1.5. You feel me? I got it all the way close. In a little bit, I'm gonna take my guard number 1. You feel me? And that's gonna be, oh, you see what I'm saying? You see how that shit look? Yeah. So right now I got my guard 1. It's gonna be all the way open. I'm working that just right there. When I show you with my fingers, I'm working in that area. You feel me? I'm not going higher than that. I'm not going higher, guys. You gotta pay attention. Like this might be a hard way to fade, because you might get lost and you might like go up with the guard that you shouldn't go. So, but this is the faster way for me to do this fade and make it look good. Because at the end of the day, everybody come to the shop to look good. So you have to make sure that when they walk out, they look good and they feel good. Because believe it or not, guys, when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you do good. You see what I'm saying? So let's get it, guys. So look, man, go ahead and follow me on my IG, y'all. Facebook, Luis25Locks, for y'all, for everybody in the world. You feel me? If you got any question, if you want to book any appointment, man, go ahead and hit me up, bro. Like, hit me up, bro. I got you. Don't matter where you're from. Doesn't matter the type of hair you have. Like straight hair, kinky hair, you feel me? Like curly hair. Doesn't matter. So right now, guys, I got my 1.5. This is the guard that I'm going to use to connect the fade, and then I'm gonna take my clipper all the way open with no guard, so to start working on that bottom line right there. So I was saying, guys, that if you have straight hair, if you have curly hair, whatever, like Asian hair, like man, I started like European hair, you feel me? Like, it doesn't matter, man. Pull out to my shop, I got you. I'm gonna make sure you have a good time. I'm gonna make sure you look good, you feel good when you walk outside. Cause this is what I do. This is what I like doing. This is what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of my life. I love doing hair. I love making people look good. You see what I'm saying? Man, let's get it. This is Louis 25 Lux for all of y'all. You feel me? Louis 25 Lux. So guys, look, I'm basically just working the bottom line. You see what I'm saying? This is the way I fade. If you guys like the way I'm doing this fade, go ahead and let me know right there on the description. So of course I'm gonna be reading. I'm gonna be reading what you guys think, what you guys say about this way, this fade. You feel me? So my people right here, they've been locked in with me for a long time. They said that I'm never gonna switch to another barber because they love the way I fade. Especially, you know, the dad and his son. And dude right there in the corner, that's his nephew. He came from their country for a vacation, you see what I'm saying? So like, let's get it, man. Let's get into it. Let's get this fade looking fire. In a little bit, I'm gonna take that guard off. I'm gonna work with my guard, with my clipper, my bad, all the way open to knock that bottom line out, and the face gonna look good. I'm gonna take my guard probably 1.5 or 1 later on to do some details. Cause remember, believe it or not, guys, we all gotta do details. Like we all have to do things. So look, now I'm gonna take this clipper. This is my favorite to go ahead and knock that bottom line out, especially all the way open. Now you're gonna see, guys, how the line is gonna disappear, how the line is gonna be gone. You see what I'm saying? And the last step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my trimmer to connect the ball area with the fade. So if you really love with this fade, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for always giving me that like on IG, Facebook, YouTube. Thank you for letting me know what you think. If you got any idea about any haircut that you want me to do, go ahead and let me know, guys. Right on the description, I got you. And one more time, thank you for the love that you guys have been showing me. And for the ones that don't know where I'm from Dominican Republic, my country, my beautiful island. That's where I'm from. By the way, guys, so I'm about to go on vacation. I'm gonna be going from July 10th to the 23rd. So if you wanna have a haircut before I leave, you gotta catch me early. Hit me a DM or let me know that you wanna get any service, and yeah, I got you. And if you wanna get on my book after I came back, the same thing, just gotta let me know, and I got you. We book an appointment and we on. So as you see, guys, this face pretty much done. I'm just basically detailing, getting rid of the bottom line, like I told you earlier. The fade has some like a line right there close to what I'm doing right now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my guard 1.5 close, and I'm gonna knock it down a little bit. So I'm just basically pretty much detailing, doing what I'm supposed to do with this fade, making my boy look good. You feel me? And another thing, guys, remember that the only way to knock the bottom line completely is using the trimmer. So if you don't use the trimmer, especially in this type of hair, to get rid of the bottom line, it's not gonna be gone. Like, it's gonna show, it's gonna still there. You have to get a trimmer and get out of the way, like get that bottom line with a trimmer. You see what I'm saying? So I want you guys to tell me what you guys think about this way to fade. So right now I'm gonna take my trimmer. I'm gonna take my clipper, my sealing, all the way close. This one's gonna help me too, and then I'm gonna take my trimmer to get rid of the bottom line. So guys, so I'm gonna be posting this type of hair, this type of haircut, especially in this type of hair, because most barbers, most people don't really mess with straight hair. But I was like, why not? So this is what I'm doing, guys, for y'all. This is gonna be my new project, because I really was only basically dropping videos about dreadlocks in this channel. But I was like, I don't want to open a new channel with the same name, Louis 25 Lux, when I already have one which is monetized and getting views and shit. let me just go ahead and drop videos about my haircut. Another thing, shout out to my boy Jadel. You know, he was the one who really, I thought about it, but he was the one who told me, why you don't do it? You feel me? Like, you already have a channel and shit. So shout out to my boy Jadel. Appreciate you for the love, man. Thank you for the service, you feel me? Thank you for always being a good one. You see, I got you, man. So look, right now I took my guard one all the way open. I was talking about that line right there that you can see. Alright, so right now I'm gonna take 0.5 because I have to make that fade pop to get rid of that. Remember, guys, that you have to detail. So if you don't detail your work, it's not gonna look good. Believe it or not, we all have to go back and work on the details. This is where most barbers get lost. They get tired and they be like, nah, I gotta finish this soon, and they don't details. So the detail is what are gonna speak for yourself. So the work is gonna speak for you. Whenever your people goes outside, they look good. People gonna be asking, who's your barber? They're gonna tell him. They're gonna tell him who their barber is. So look, right now I took my trimmer to get rid of that bottom line. Like I told you guys, you have to use this. So if you don't use this, the bottom line is not gonna disappear. So thank you guys for everything, man. And like I told you guys, like, you have to take time to make your people look good, to get it right, because they are the best tool to get a new client. So if you get them right every single time they come to your share, they're gonna be telling their friends, their cousins, brothers, their girlfriend, family, who the barber is. They're gonna bring more people to you. So that's my advice for those barbers that are in the city, that they really wanna grow and get busy every single day. You just have to be consistent. Don't give up. Keep moving forward. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep putting the work into it. You feel me? Because it's gonna pay off. So guys, the face is pretty much done. Right now I'm about to go ahead and do the zig on the side, so my client, he don't get a shape up in the front. Even the vertical bar, he don't really mess with that. His father don't want me to do it, so I'm doing what he want me to do on his song. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing the zig on the sides. Guys, the face is pretty much done. I'm about to do the other side in a little bit. I'm gonna show you how it look on both sides. Another thing, guys, don't really kill me because I forgot to make the final video, you know, on the way that it should be for YouTube. I made it like for IG. I don't fucking know what I was thinking about, but I was busy. I was in the shop all day. I know it's not an excuse, but I didn't make the video how it should be recorded. So y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for always being there one more time. Thank you for the love. And another thing, man, if you like this fade, why just don't give me a like? Like, if you rock with it, if you learn something from this video, go ahead and give me that like, man. Give me that thumbs up. You see what I'm saying? Say something. Say what's in your mind, and I'll see you in the next video. This is the result. This is how they look on the other side. This is how the fade look. Y'all let me know if you fuck with it. I love you guys. Luis 25 Locks.